How to export a specific part in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and then select on the project that you want to export a specific part. Now to export a specific part in CapCut, it is not directly possible. So for that, what you need to do is just split the certain specific part that you want to export. So for example, if I want to export the this part on the front one, so just tap on edit and then tap on split. Now in case I want to export this part only and not the later part, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on the later part and then tap on delete, and then I'm going to have this specific part that I want to export. So all I have to do is just tap on this part and then make necessary edits, effects, animations, and then tap on export with certain resolutions, frame rate as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.